So my DoorDash bag and I have been out for the last 6-7 weeks working in a diamond zone in St. Louis, Missouri. This is my experience. These are my thoughts. Welcome back to the RideShare Guy. I'm Pedro DoorDash Santiago. You could also call me Mr. Bet on You. In today's video, we will talk about the diamond program. A lot of chatter about it on YouTube from content creators. A lot of chatter from people, drivers that are in diamond zones sharing their experiences. I've heard good, I've heard bad. It's a mixed result, and that seems about right with DoorDash because people have different experiences based on market. I'm going to share with you my experience. I'm going to share with you why I think it's happened with DoorDash, why they implemented this, what it could look like in the future, and why I think it's good or bad. Let's go. So a quick rundown. Diamond zones basically are telling drivers they're getting priority on high-paying orders in that zone if they keep their acceptance rate above 50%. And if you keep your acceptance rate above 70%, you'll get first priority on those high-paying orders. Now, Pedro, what is a high-paying order, and how do I keep my acceptance rate above 50 or 70%? Listen, acceptance rate on DoorDash is easy. You accept more orders, your acceptance rate will go up. It's a rolling 100. So the last 100 orders you've done, how many have you accepted? If you accepted 50, you're at a 50%, 70%. And it's rolling, so older ones will drop off as newer offers come in. Now, I reset my acceptance rate a couple of months back because I was able to reset it and I did it for the viewers. I wanted to see what it was like. I was curious. Now, historically, my acceptance rate's always been pretty low, usually in the 20%, sometimes in the 30%, sometimes in the teens, just depends on what offers hit my phone. Now, with the diamond zone, right now, I'm in a diamond zone, St. Louis, Missouri, like I said, and I'm at 71% acceptance. I got as high as 85 last week or 2 weeks ago. And I was seeing good orders. I was seeing bad orders. I didn't see a difference. If anything, with me having to or feeling like I needed to keep a higher acceptance rate to stay in that program to test it out, every once in a while I'm taking a $3 order going a mile or two, maybe a $6 order going 6 miles, orders I normally wouldn't take so that I can keep the acceptance rate higher to stay in the program and get priority. So like I said, what's priority on a high paying order? Priority just means that you could possibly see that order before somebody that has a lesser acceptance rate. What's a high paying order in DoorDash's book? In my zone, it's $1.50 a mile. In other zones, I've heard it's $2 a mile, which a lot of us like that. We want to meet those parameters. But that also means by DoorDash's standards in their own words, it could be a $4 order going 2 miles. That's $2 a mile. Is that a high paying order? It could be $3 going a mile. It could be $5 going 2 miles. Most of the orders I was seeing on average were $5 or $6 going 2 or 3 miles. That's a normal order in my zone. Not high paying, in my opinion. What's high paying for you guys? For me, $10 or more is a really good order on DoorDash. And if there's a hidden tip, it goes up. $5, $6 orders aren't something for me that I would say are high paying. So do I want priority on those type of orders? Not necessarily. And with my acceptance rate, the highest it's ever been, I've made less money with DoorDash because, like I said, I have to sometimes take bad orders and spend time on those orders, and time is money. Most of us can only complete about 3 orders an hour. If you're lucky and it's busy and the miles are low, maybe 4. There are some times when it's slow and you can only do 2 orders an hour, depending. Most orders are going to take you 15, 20 minutes to complete. So if you're spending that amount of time on a $3 order too many times a week to keep your acceptance rate in the diamond program, 50% to 70% or up, it's going to be hard to make money. That's been my experience in St. Louis. Let us know if you're in a diamond zone in the comments below. Let us know if you've tried it out. Are you keeping your acceptance rate above 50? And are you trying to get it above 70 so you can get first priority on high paying orders? I will also add this. One good thing about the diamond program is if you're in that program, it will show you if an order is more money. Before, you'd have to guess, is there a hidden tip? Hidden tip indicator. In my market, it was $6.25. So if I saw an order that was $6.25 going 4 miles or less, most of the time it's going to be more. With the diamond program, there'll be a plus sign and it will tell you total will be higher, which is nice. It's not going to tell you how much. It could be 50 cents more. It could be $1 more, $10 more. Look at your item counts and subtotals for better guessing on those orders. But I do like that plus sign because that tells me right off the bat it's going to be more money. So you know that, okay, I'm at least going to get this. It's going to be more, so there'll be a little surprise at the end of the rainbow and the end of the diamond, the rubies and rhinestones, as I call it. Let me know if you guys think this is a good or bad program for DoorDash. At the end of the day, my final thoughts on this is it's all market dependent. How many drivers are in your market, what kind of restaurants you like to do business with, what time of day you work, is it oversaturated, is it undersaturated? All those things play a part. Your median household income, because tips is how we really make money, especially with DoorDash. But let me know if you think it's good or bad. For me, my final thought, this is a way for DoorDash to get more orders delivered, more of the low-paying orders. I've done that in the last 6-7 weeks. I've delivered more low orders than any other time in my DoorDash life. And I did that to test it out to see what the program could be. Was no different for me. You see good ones, you see bad ones. But when you have to sometimes put in some bad orders, if you see a few more good orders than normal, it kind of equals out, if anything else. Let me know, let us know what you think in the comments down below. And if you like DoorDash content, we drop videos every Sunday on the RideShare Guy, brought to you by Pedro DoorDash Santiago. I'll catch you next week.